In this video, we want to find the domain and range of an exponential function. In the previous problem, we talked about how the domain for all exponentials is negative infinity to infinity, because there's nothing I can't plug in for x here. There's no issue with having a negative exponent. There's no issue with having a positive exponent. There's no issue with having a fractional exponent. So I can plug in anything for negative infinity to infinity, from negative infinity to infinity. The range, though, is going to change based upon my vertical shifts and reflections. So I have a vertical reflection and a vertical shift. So the range for a typical exponential goes from 0 to infinity. But when I shift it downwards, now my horizontal asymptote is -1. And this reflection is going to reflect that graph downwards. So instead of this graph going from here and going upwards, now we have this graph going downwards. So I need to write this as the smallest number being negative infinity for the range, and the largest number now, my horizontal asymptote, is going to be this -1. And so the range goes from negative infinity to -1 because I have a vertical reflection and that vertical shift down 1, which changes my range of 0 to infinity, like so.